moon during its first billion years, a period erased on Earth. How do the Earth and moon differ in overall composition? By visiting Fra Mauro, we hope to sample the very bedrock of the moon, material very different from that so far collected, material perhaps dating back to the beginning of the solar system.
How can you think of the soil being 4.5 billion years old when igneous rocks which presumably underlie it are only 3.5 or 3.7 billion years old?
Everything went smoothly during Earth orbit and for the burn that sent Apollo 14 toward the moon. Then Stuart Roosa moved the command module Kitty Hawk to a docking with the lunar module Antares, still attached to the third stage of the booster.
And we docked. We're unable to get a capture.
Twice they tried. 3 times.
Okay, Houston, I hit it pretty good and held 4 seconds on contact.
On February 4th, Apollo 14 went into orbit around the moon.
This is really a wild place up here.
As Apollo 14 was on its first orbit, the third stage of the booster smashed into the moon at its planned target point. Its impact, picked up by the seismometer left by Apollo, climbed into the lunar module Antares and undocked prior to descent.
And we're free. Beautiful. Very good.
But as they checked out the lunar module, a problem appeared. An erroneous abort was being signaled on board Antares and in mission control. They began setting up the automated scientific laboratory. A small nuclear generator to power the array. The central station to transmit data to Earth. A seismometer to detect and measure activity on and within the moon. A series of 3 experiments to measure charged particles near the lunar surface. An independent experiment to reflect laser beams from Earth, enabling extremely precise measurements of such things as Earth to moon distance,